There we go. It's so heavy. Thank you. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan UK. I am your host Akib Ullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
It's time to sow your chili seeds.
If you're a chili grower like ourselves and live in a colder climate like we do in England, you can start sowing your chili seed as early as December, and you can sow your chili seeds till end of March.
We normally sow our chili seeds around the middle of February, but this year we'll be sowing our seeds a few weeks earlier so you guys could get a head start.
Now, chili seeds, to get a good success rate with the germination, chili seeds needs a temperature above 21 degrees, up to 37 degrees Celsius. Although the chili seed will germinate below 21 degrees, it means it will take longer period of time. Normally, the chili seed germination takes up to 19 days. If you have good seeds and you are able to provide about 25-27 degrees Celsius temperature, the chili seed, you find the chili seed will grow within 10 days.
Dad, it's 0 degrees outside, so how are we going to make it 25 degrees for the chili seeds?
We tend to put our seed trays in a boiler room or by the radiators, and that gives them enough temperature. But most people would actually use a heated propagator, which you'll find it will help you germinate your seed faster.
To sow your chili seeds, you will need seed trays. There are many different varieties of seed trays. You can get this tray in a different size. This is called a seed insert tray. If you're growing individually, you should use this tray. It's very good for sowing your seeds individually.
Now, you need a good compost for sowing seed. Good fine compost which doesn't have bits in it. And of course you need good chili seeds. Now, to achieve good result, soak your chili seed into water. Add about half a teaspoon of Epsom salt, and add about half a tablet of aspirin or dispirin. Aspirin has a component called salicylic acid, which is found in bark of willow tree. Now, if you want to know more about salicylic acid, you could Google it and you'll get more information on it. So fill up the tray with compost. Flatten the compost nice and flat, but push it down slightly firmly. Remove all the excess compost and put it back into the compost bag. Place the seed individually. Once you have placed the seed onto the tray, now we would have to bury the seed under the compost by about 1/2 millimeter. So I'm going to bury it by 1/2 millimeter, but not too below, otherwise going to find it difficult to come up, shoot up. And then cover the seed. So push it down by 1/2 millimeter and then cover it.
Now that we have buried the seeds into the seed tray, it's time to give it a good drink. I'm using a water sprayer. So let's pump this. And now let's give it a good water. Once you have watered the seed tray properly, if you're using a propagator, place this into your propagator. But if you're placing your seed tray into the boiler room, get a plastic see-through bag and put the seed tray into your see-through bag. The reason why we're using a plastic bag to cover the seed tray is because it retains moisture. And the reason why we're using a see-through bag is because we can see when the shoots are coming up, so we can take the bag out and take it out the boiler room. Otherwise it will get lanky and thin. This is now ready and is ready to go into the boiler room. But before we do that, we have to label it so we don't forget what we have sown in this seed tray. This is one of my dad's favourite. It's Trinidad Scorpion. It's extremely hot. It's hotter than Nagamoris. If I have this, my mouth will be on fire for days. So let's label this.
So this tray is ready to go into our boiler room. I'm going to be keeping a check on it after a few days, making sure. So once the shoots start coming out, I will need to bring the tray out and remove the plastic covering. Otherwise they will get tall and lankier, which we don't want that. If it gets too dry, keep it moist. But if you have covered it with a plastic bag, it shouldn't get more. It shouldn't dry up so quickly. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video with us. If you have, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our videos. As
you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. So until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.
Now we just need patience.